Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of robotic battle toys with the HEXBUG BattleBots Rivals 4.0. If you're into thrilling battles and cutting-edge technology, this is the video for you. The HEXBUG BattleBots Rivals 4.0 brings the excitement of the BattleBots arena right into your home. It features two iconic bots from Season 3, Biteforce and Blacksmith. These bots are designed for intense battles with pop-off panels that simulate battle damage and motors that power their multifunctional weapons. More than just toys, they encourage creativity, strategic thinking, and hand-eye coordination, perfect for kids aged 8 and up. They come with batteries included and can battle up to 4 bots simultaneously using a multiple-channel controller. These aren't just any remote control robots. They're meticulously crafted to replicate the real BattleBots experience. Whether you're a fan of the TV show or just love action-packed toys, these are a must-have. To wrap it up, the HEXBUG BattleBots Rivals 4.0 delivers everything you'd want in a battling robot toy: excitement, durability, and educational benefits. Whether you're buying for yourself or as a gift, you can't go wrong with these bots. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned to Product Critique for more insights into the latest gadgets and toys.